Full Sail, baby.
Becoming a filmmaker has undoubtedly opened my mind. It has taken me around the world, allowing me to see things with my own eyes. This has introduced me to many areas I never known to have existed. I'm most grateful for how it's brought me closer to my family, pulling confidence out of me to lead and direct those I care for. As a filmmaker, I'm able to memorialize those who deserve to be remembered, the funny ones who encourage, the wise who teach, the brave who inspire. If I had a superpower, it would be to fly. But since I don't, my heart's forever content with flying my drone. As my eyes and wings soar above the ground, the importance of establishing a shot stays in the forefront of my mind. If relationships were the script, food was the sound, laughter was lighting, and sleep the editing, then I'd be the novice chef directing you through a healthy vision of life. Who I am as a filmmaker is turning me into a master of self. So stay tuned. Peace.